Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving into a machine that combines rugged power, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge innovation, the all-new 2025 Kenworth W1150 motorhome. If you've ever dreamed of taking your home on the road without compromising on strength or style, this beast is what dreams are made of. The Kenworth W1150 is not your average RV. It's a road-dominating masterpiece built on a heavy-duty truck chassis, giving it the durability and stability you'd expect from a commercial hauler. Under the hood, you're getting a massive 15-liter PACCAR X13 engine that delivers up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 lb-ft of torque. That means no matter the terrain or the weather, this motorhome powers through with ease. Whether you're climbing mountain highways or cruising across long desert stretches, the W1150 doesn't break a sweat. Step inside, and you're greeted with a true luxury apartment on wheels. The living area is crafted with real hardwood, ambient LED lighting, and Italian leather seating. A full-size kitchen with marble countertops, a residential fridge, induction cooktop, and even a dishwasher. This isn't just RV life. This is first-class living. The entertainment system features a 65-inch OLED TV surround sound, satellite connectivity, and Wi-Fi booster, ensuring you're always connected and entertained no matter where you are. Moving to the rear, the master bedroom is as comfortable as it gets, with a king-size memory foam bed, heated floors, and panoramic smart windows that adjust tint automatically. There's even a spa-style bathroom with a rainfall shower and heated towel racks. Yes, in a motorhome? What truly sets the W1150 apart is its smart automation system. Everything from climate control to lighting and even vehicle diagnostics can be managed via touchscreen panels or voice control. You can even monitor tire pressure, fuel economy, solar energy usage, and battery storage in real time. It's not just a vehicle, it's a fully integrated smart home. Storage capacity is off the charts, with massive slide-outs, underbody storage compartments, and a hydraulic rear garage for your motorcycles, ATVs, or even a compact car. There's room for everything you need on the go. Safety is also a top priority. The 2025 W1150 is equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, collision mitigation, and 360-degree cameras. Plus, it includes air ride suspension and auto-leveling features that make parking and setup a breeze, even in uneven camping ground. In terms of fuel efficiency, Kenworth has made strides with optimized aerodynamics and hybrid power assist technology that cuts fuel usage during long idle periods or low-speed driving. While this motorhome is a heavyweight, it's built to be as eco-conscious as possible in its class. So, who is the Kenworth W1150 for? It's for the adventurer who refuses to compromise on luxury. The traveler who wants strength and technology without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're a digital nomad, a cross-country road tripper, or a retired couple ready to explore North America in style, the W1150 delivers it all. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Kenworth W1150 motorhome. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more in-depth reviews of the world's most exciting vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next road adventure.